In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract your credentials and decrypt them so that you can use them in another instance or use them wherever you want. So here I have a HTTP request node, and I'm supposed to call an API and have a bearer auth credential down here. So if I want to extract this, if I go and click here on edit, you see that it's obscured like this. If I click on expression, you see that I get this n8n blank value, etc., which is not my actual credential. So how do I get my actual credential? One method is to go to details here and copy this ID like that. Then let's go back out. And here we're going to add a execute command node. And inside of here, we're going to run this command, n8n export credentials --ID equals, paste in the ID --decrypted. Just like that. Click on test step. And now here on the right side, you will get a lot of information, and somewhere here you will find your credential based on what type of credential it is. So if I start looking here down here, see created that, updated that, auth credential, I know I'm using bearer auth, so it's a bearer auth credential data, and here I see token, and here I find my credential. So I know this looks a little bit weird. It's because I just made this credential up. I typed it in myself, but if I was a real credential, you would find your real credential here if it was a bearer auth. Now for other credentials, it might look a little bit different, but you will find it here decrypted. If we don't use this decrypted part, for example, this is how it's going to look instead. Now instead, you will get something like this, and you can see that the credential I had is no longer here. Instead, we get this data and this generated stuff here, which is not my credentials. So yeah, that's how you can find your credentials and export them from n8n. Thanks for watching, and till next time, take care.